Welcome everyone. Today we're going to be talking about um, a recent commission I did for $150, a UI commission on Roblox for a person named Encry, and unfortunately it didn't work out. He just left me ghosted. So I'm going to show you guys what I did. I'm going to show you the messages and the unfortunate situation that I just worked for absolutely nothing. Um, There's a lot going around on the world right now. So my heart goes out to everyone out there, especially those affected by the LA fires. I want to spread some love and share some hope for them because people's lives have been devastated from the fires. So if everyone could just pray, take a moment to share some love and, you know, think about those affected by the fires. That would be great. Um, so I'm gonna just show you guys one of the update videos I sent and cry was this person. And this was just a video update on progress for the UI. Let's get right to it. So this is the first update video. I made this about 15 days ago, about 2 weeks ago. Basically, as you guys can see, I'm in studio, I'm recording the progress so I run it, and what I was actually tasked to do for this video was to make all this UI have these effects, which I'm just showing off. Have it um, have all these animations when you click on exit and to enter them. And the point was to make this interactive. As you can see, it has like hover effects. When you click it, it moves the bar, and you guys can't hear it, but there is a sound playing, and that is the sound of the like click sound. So as you can see, all I had was doing was hooking up UI animations, and the reason why he wanted me to do this was because they had old UI that they wanted to change and hook up to the back end. So they just wanted me to animate the new UI. And as you can see here, I did the basic, um, UI. The voice menu works. The classes haven't been implemented yet. Neither have Harvest been implemented yet. Harvest has been implemented. Store has been implemented. Settings and tutorial hasn't been implemented in this part of the update. But the store UI has been. So that is the first update. Um, Everything was going good. And then for the second update, what he wanted me to do was basically implement, let me see if I can remember correctly, um, implement like this small like info card, make sure that it stays whenever you change um, different settings, and he wanted me to align it better. He also wanted to have like a small animation kind of show up and go to a different room when you click harvest. Um, so that's what I did here. And then for the classes, he also wanted me to just implement, you know, this room where you could click skills and etc. for the classes update. And so yeah, that was the second part of the update, and that was about 10 days ago. So definitely 5 days in between. And then with the last update, completed it like a day after. Um, this was just flushing things out and um, just making sure everything was nice and worked well together. So in this update, I'm just gonna skip a little bit. I make the classes, and then you have like a hover effect to choose what class you want to select. When you do select it, a pop-up shows up to purchase the class if you don't already have it. And that was basically it. So just making sure whenever you click exit, it resets whatever you selected. When you come back, it's fresh. Everything is animated back up. Um, and yeah, that was basically the main part of this last update, just flushing out the classes. I do make some changes on other stuff, but they weren't too important, so I didn't include them in the video. So I created 3 main videos to showcase the progress I made for this commission, and I, you know, updated them as I went. You guys can see here, we're talking, he was showing me how he wanted it. And that's what I did. I scripted it and animated it the way he wanted it. Sent him progress videos. He sent me the assets and the files. And then when I finished it and let him know, I've been just ghosted. When I'm like, is anything wrong? If you need anything changed, I can do it. Is it the payment? What's wrong so we can sort this out? The original terms was $100 for just linking up the UI and scripting it. And I just increased it because there was more that he wanted me to edit than was first stated. Um, and I just wanted to get paid for my work. I told him everything was done. I showed him the progress videos. I was like, if you want anything changed, I'll be able to change that for you afterwards. To no avail. So, right now, I'm just kind of like, okay, well, I did all that work and I haven't been paid for what I did. So I'm just going to show you guys real quick the actual game. So when you play, you guys can see that it loads everything up. The skip button works. It fades in. Then we can spectate, brings this UI. Close it. I have the classes UI. You have the hovering I was talking about. You might be able to hear the sound effect now because I'm recording with OBS. The sound effects, I click exit and it resets. There's animations from the store. There's hover effects. Okay, for some reason, this is not working, so I have to fix this soon. But yeah, that's working. Close it. Settings. Okay, I have to fix that because obviously something is not working with this. Weirdly enough. And the tutorial. So besides the weird effects with the settings and the store, you guys can see that I have completed the task. And by the way, he doesn't know that those don't work, and I will fix them. Well, I won't fix them now because I don't know if he's gonna respond. But if he does respond and I do get paid, then I will send him, what needs to be done. So I'm just waiting on that. But yeah, I guess I've been scammed of a $150 UI commission. Hey, I get to keep these assets, which I probably never need. Um, yeah, I'm actually curious about like why this doesn't work. Maybe there's something in the error that will show up. Ah, I see. There's been an error on one of the things. It might be like a erase error due to like me skipping. Um, so I'll just try this again and test it and see if it works. If not, I'll probably have to look into it more. Yeah. So it looks like there's a problem on line 387 of the click interface. It's saying that tabs is not a valid number of sound. So what is sound? Oh, I see. This is because I named the sound for the sound. What I should really be doing is be calling this sound real sound or something. Uh, yeah, so what I meant to do for this is like play the sound whenever, you know, you're hovering over and you click it. Um, and that's the only time I want to like do sound. If I do sound like this, I do play, then I'll get all the times I use the sound I want. So then I'll just go here and I'll make sure the uppercase is correct. And as you can see, this is the places where I edit it. So I'm gonna call this click sound instead. Some live editing. You guys are seeing some live editing. And we're gonna leave those because I'm not sure what those are from. But for the ones I do know, we are going to update this sound because you want to name this the click sound. So that should save our work. That should fix the errors that I'm having. But if we run this again, I kind of look through here. I don't see any errors from that. Let's skip. Then if we go to the store, yeah, you guys see that it works. So it's just like a variable name issue. We go to settings as well. See that it works. See, so I'm not scamming anyone. I did do the work. Everything works. It's just ghosting me. So just wanted to talk about that UI commission because I know there's a lot of people who want to do commissions, and I guess this is a little bit of the experience. Um, yeah, you guys also saw a little bit of debugging, so there's that if you are interested in coding. Um, so yeah, that's pretty much all with this video. Stay safe, guys. Um, you know, and keep in touch for more of this, like, just regular random stuff I do on the side. And yeah, we out.